Alright, time to obliterate some console peasants. So what game should I play? Warzone? Fortnite? It's so hard to pick with all the storage I got. What's that console have? Like 500 gigabytes? Pathetic. Man, what should I do while I load up the game? Watch YouTube? Hop on Discord? There's so many options. And what can that console do? Only one thing at a time? You poor souls. Man, I'm always amazed how beautiful my game looks. 240 frames? Ray tracing? I think I'd literally go blind if I had to play console. And don't even get me started on the controller. How can you be accurate? No wonder you need aim assist. Why do you think all the pros are on keyboard and mouse? It's clearly superior. Like me, because I got a PC.